Hello, this is your professor, Dr. Jason Finley, and I want to make a video on how to complete a MetEd lab. Your MetEd for Lab 1 is shown here, but I'm going to assign MetEdLabs for the future independent project. All right, so for Lab 1, we need to complete sea level change, the basics. It'll take about 30 to 45 minutes to go through the module and then take you a little bit of time to pass the quiz. And what you need to pass the quiz is just a 70%. So to start, we're going to go to this website here. And this website opens up MetEd. I actually have it already opened up in Firefox. I think Firefox or Chrome are the best browsers for MetEd. All right, so the first thing you have to do is you have to sign up. So I'm going to click on the sign up button. Basically, you want to fill out all of these forms. Notice that for me, I have a couple of these forms or these boxes filled out. Now, one thing I don't want you to do, please do, oops, do not put my email here, okay? Because you can retake the quiz as many times it takes to pass. And if everybody does this, I'm going to get hundreds of emails. All right. So once you have this completed, your account will be created and you'll be able to sign in. Now I have mine saved here, so my username for me is my email address and I have a password. All right. The easiest way to find your module is to really just copy and paste. So I'm going to copy and paste sea level change the basics. I'm going to go back to MetEd. I'm going to put it in the search button here and I'm going to hit search. So this could take a couple of minutes to find. Remember, this is a free website and this website is filled with graphics and animations, so it could take a little bit of time. So once you see this, you want to click on Lessons and Resources, and you will find the module. Notice that I've already taken the quiz, and I actually didn't go through the module because I have a good background on sea level change. I had just taken and done some research on climate change. But you're going to need to go through the module and then find the quiz, pass the quiz, and print out the certificate. All right, so how to do that? We're going to go into the module. This is what it looks like. You want to begin the lesson and hit begin again. Don't worry about the pre-assessment, just hit begin. And this is the start of the module. This module does not have audio, but future MetEdLabs may have a combination of audio, visual, and even video. So you need to go through and read. I'm just going to skip through certain parts of it, see how it kind of looks. There will be embedded questions in this module. That doesn't count toward your quiz. That just helps you get a little bit more acquainted with the subject matter. And then at the very end, you're going to have a summary of causes of sea level change. And just to give you a little bit of background about this, sea level changes quite a bit from place to place. And there's both oceanic and land-based factors that can affect sea level. Overall, though, sea level change is rising, but because of certain local factors, some places are actually seeing falling sea levels, while other places are seeing rising sea levels. But if you take the global average of sea level, you will find that it has been rising quite a bit in the last couple of decades. Okay, so once you're done, you can go to quiz. And sometimes there might be a survey that you have to fill out, but for now I think I'm just going to go to quiz. Now, I have already taken the quiz. So once you take the quiz, this is what you will see. You will see your quiz result. And you will even go through and it'll tell you, it's not going to necessarily tell you what you got wrong, but it'll tell you which question you got wrong. All right, so once you see that, you will have to take a survey. And I already took it. It's quick. It's just like a few questions. And then you will see an option for certificate. This certificate is what I want you to print. So for Lab 1, you are going to do the pages in the book that I had given to you. If you already have the book, then you can use that book too. The math and charting exercises, and then this certificate. If you're working in a group, you only need to have one certificate. So you can decide who basically wants to do it and have their name on the certificate. One more thing, there's a download button. So now it's a PDF and I can download it to my computer and print it. I can print it from here. If you have a different browser, you may have other options. So I hope this video helped you with this MetEdLab and in future MetEdLabs that I will assign through the independent project as part of Geography 15.